Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you how can you take a screenshot on your PC or laptop. There is an interesting thing that if you are using Windows 11, latest Windows 11, you don't have to take another app to take a screenshot. There is a built-in option for taking a screenshot in your laptop or PC. You just have to press Windows and G, Windows plus G. You have to just press that, and there is a pop-up coming in front of your screen. Here you can see wide get menu, audio, and the capture. There is a capture option. You have to just click the option and you can see another pop-up. Here is a camera icon. Take a screenshot, Windows Alter or Pair Tree screen. Then press the button. You can see here is my screenshot. Let's do this again. Windows G, press Windows G, capture, press the capture button and press it. You can see this is my screenshot. Open file location, continue. This is my screenshot. There is another option for taking a screenshot. You can see every computer or laptop or PC and keyboard, there is a dedicated button for this. This is called PRTSC. You can find in every keyboard, every laptop or PC keyboard. You have to just press. Let's open a file. Let's open the file. I have to open a white file. Let's press PRT screen button. I have just pressed the button. You can see here 1 of 24 clipboard. I have to just paste the file. Go to Microsoft Word and press Ctrl plus V. You can see here you can see this is my screenshot. And following that, you can take a screenshot whenever you want and you can send it to anyone. You can send it to screenshot anyone. And there is another option to taking a screenshot. You have to download latest Firefox. You have to just download latest Firefox. Then there is inbuilt option to taking a screenshot. For taking a screenshot, just press your right button on your mouse, and then you can see an option take a screenshot. Here is screenshot. Take a screenshot. Here you can just drag the file in this particular area. I want to take a screenshot, so I have select this area, then download this, and you can see here it's the screenshot. Following this method, you can take a screenshot computer or PC. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.